Welcome back to TechNow, where we're discussing Web 3.0 and the future of the internet and how it's going to change for you. My guest today and the last two sessions, Meli Abduhailou, CEO of Komodo, a security firm in New Jersey, which is doing incredibly well. In the past, we've talked a lot about security, and we've talked a lot about the current state of the web. What we're going to talk about today is actually the future. I mean, is it going to look and feel radically different than what we have right now? If you go back to 1995, there were a lot of projections about what the web would look like. I would actually say it looks pretty much the way people expected it to.
In 1995, no one said that, hey, we're going to have a Twitter and we're going to be tweeting about things. No one thought that we're going to be searching and crawling the internet the way that Google does. And no one thought that we could be going into social networks like Facebook. So these are the things that change our behavior.
Hi, Dan. Go ahead. Nice graphics.
Thank you. My question is, what should we look for in a safe social network?
Well, at the moment, there is no safe social network. But in Web 3.0, you're going to be able to identify. I mean, social network is about, people and information. If I was to say to you, here are two different things, $20 bill and something that I claim to be $20 bill. Which one are you going to take? You're going to take this one. Why? Because you can validate and verify that's $20 bill. On internet, everything is like this. There is no validation to it. And as we create the authentication layer on internet, we're going to start choosing authenticated, validated information or data compared to non-validated, non-authenticated information. And that is going to change the way that we do things. The more we connect, the more information we create, the more we're going to require authentication. And as we require authentication, we're going to build the tools to be able to differentiate what is authenticated, what is not. Authenticated is not just about information, it's about people. When you're talking to me on Facebook, I will know it's Henry, it's not someone else. Those are the innovations that's going to come into Web 3.0.
Meli, it's been a huge pleasure talking to you, and thank you all so much for joining. But for now, Henry Blodgett, Meli Abduhailou, CEO of Komodo, signing off. Thanks again very much.